Hi everybody, so today we have Chef Delphine with us and she is available on Tazzho under the name Del's Kitchen. So here's a little quick fun fact about Chef Delphine and her kitchen, that she has from biryanis to cookies to cakes to healthy eating and indulgent eating, right?
Yes.
So let's just start right into it. First we'll do a cheers.
Cheers, dear.
Thank you so much. So my first question is, how did you come up with the name Del's Kitchen?
Basically, my name because I love my name, Delphine. So people can relate. People who know me as Delphine, they'll relate to Del's Kitchen also. So that was the idea behind the Del's Kitchen. So I said, let it be short and let it be easy to remember.
Ah, I like that. So is the kitchen your happy place that way?
Yes.
And now
Very
it's
happy
part of
place.
your identity as well.
Yes, absolutely.
Lovely. So my first question is generally that what inspired you to be a chef?
From my childhood, I used to always watch my mom cooking, and somehow I was very much inclined to that. But then that took a back seat because I got busy with my marriage and my children and bringing them up and all that. And then suddenly, when he moved out to further studies, like doing his MBA, I felt a complete vacuum because 10 to 6 I had nothing to do. So that's the time I said, let me try on something, and the journey started from there.
Amazing. And who taught you to cook?
I used to watch my mom cooking. So basically, for me, it was like to make a dish, you don't have to see recipes, and I'll just throw the required ingredients, and your dish is ready. So somehow I used to do that, and I used to always, the dish used to turn out pretty awesome. And yes, that's how I did my R&D, and here I am.
Ah, lovely. So, do you think the secret to your recipes is more like the experiment and that curiosity factor?
Yes, absolutely. I build my recipe as per my clients' requirements. If they want it very spicy, then I give them the spiciness.
Oh, I'm a spice fan.
Yeah. And if they want it less spicy, medium spicy, or whatever, I mean, no spicy at all. So I work on as per what my clients want.
That's very adaptable to
Yes,
the recipe and
yes.
very nicely to be done.
Yes.
Wow, commendable. And how has your experience been with Tazzho?
This is a platform which they called me up, and I think they searched my page and all, and they called me. Right from the beginning, they've been very, very supportive and very friendly, more importantly, and they give you time because normally I am not available most of the time, but they were very patient enough with me. That is, I think, really commendable, and I thank the team and everyone from Tazzho. It's been an eventful journey for me, and the recognition. I mean, they made me feel that I'm worth it.
Oh, yeah. Okay, there's a fun game. We play the rapid fire.
Okay.
Okay, and the rules are pretty simple. You have to answer with the first word that comes to your mind when I ask you certain
Okay.
stuff. Okay?
Okay.
So, like, are you ready?
Yes. Ready.
All pumped up?
All pumped up.
Awesome. Okay. So, my first question is, okay, what are the 3 ingredients that you cannot live in your kitchen without?
Turmeric, cumin, and salt.
Very interesting combo. I see what's happening. Okay. Or rather, I can smell what's happening. Okay. So my next one is, okay, what is the first word what comes to your mind when I say the word, let's say, cheesecake?
Mango cheesecake. Blueberry cheesecake.
Ooh.
That's my favorite.
So which one would you choose?
I would choose blueberry cheesecake.
Personal favorite?
Yes.
What do you think about dry fruits?
Dry fruits, figs.
Baked goodies?
I just recently I baked hazelnut cookies with curvature chocolate, and that tastes awesome.
I want to try this.
Yeah.
I want to try this. Tazzho.
A good platform for home bakers.
So what are the 3 tools in the kitchen that you cannot live without?
A very good set of knives, good utensils,
Okay.
and a napkin,
Ah.
a hand towel.
the way to cover up
Yeah.
and everything. Just saying,
No,
there's a knife.
I need my hand towel. I always need my hand towel when I'm working in the kitchen.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So there's a fun game that we play in the rapid fire. It's called Would You Rather.
Okay.
So would you rather go for cookies or would you rather go for cheesecake?
Cookies.
Would you go for healthy eating or would you go for indulgence?
Indulgence.
Would you go for heavy whipped cream cake or would you go for diet cake?
I would not go for heavy whipped cake, but I would definitely go for naked cake. Yeah.
Okay. Would you go for sweet or spicy?
That's a tricky question. Definitely sweet.
And would you rather stick to the recipe or would you like to make your own changes to the recipe?
I like to make changes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, what is your favorite dish on your menu?
Mutton biryani.
And if you had to give a tip to new budding chef, what would it be?
I would say to all you out there who have just started baking, don't give up. There will be a lot of challenges like maternity break and children upbringing and all that kind of jazz. You can still continue baking. Don't take a break, as what I did. So don't take a break. Continue because there's lots and lots to learn, lots and lots to explore. And if that's your passion, just go for it. Bringing up children, marriage, everything can walk side by side, hand in hand. Don't give up your dreams.
I think life lessons with Chef Delphine could be a whole series we can have right
Yeah.
now. And this is amazing. So those were the end of my questions. Thank you so much for letting me question you.
Thank you
and
so
do this
much for having me on your show.
Anytime.
Thank you so
And thank you so much for the chai. I
Thank you.
enjoyed it.
Yeah.